Widgets App Shopify Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be talking about Shopify and the Vitals app, and we're going to be going through the installation process and how we're going to be managing all of its features with our Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we are going to go ahead to our Shopify store dashboard, okay? And once we're over here, from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the app section. So you're going to click over here. And once you click over here, we're going to search up Vitals. Now, once you search up Vitals, you're going to search Vitals in Shopify App Store. And once you do that, that's going to click up, open the App Store real quick. It shouldn't take a lot of time. It's just going to take a few seconds to load in. And once everything has fully loaded in, it's going to show you the proper Vitals app, okay? Now, as the Vitals app will appear in the top rankings of the App Store, you're going to click on it. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to install it. Now, the fun thing about the Vitals app is it's free, okay? It has a free trial available. So you can automatically just set up a trial for yourself and start using it, all right? And the fun part about Vitals is that it's one of the greatest reviews app out there, okay? And you can use it fully to its full potential. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to click on install. And once we click on install, we're also going to go ahead and check the features. So you get product reviews that you can import from places like AliExpress, CSV, Excel, and other apps as well. Then you have the upsell builder where you can create unlimited bundles, volume discounts, BOGOs, gifts, and goals. And then finally, we have visitor replays where we can record and replay visitor actions as they click, scroll, and type, okay, which is really good for your analytics. Once we're over here, we're simply going to click on install app. And as we have clicked on install app, we're simply going to wait for it to load us in. As we have loaded in, it's going to start giving us the bundles that we can actually go ahead and choose from. So let's just wait for the bundles to load in. So we're going to have 4 to 5 basic plans. And in those 4 to 5 basic plans, what we're going to do is we're going to choose the ones that work the best for us. Now, it's also going to bring us over here. Now, this is your Vitals main dashboard. Okay, so you have sales, orders, active apps, captured emails. Right now, I have 0 because I just downloaded. Now, as we come down here, we have the main tools. Okay, so the first tool we have is the Trust tool, which is product reviews, where you can easily collect, import, and display reviews with photos and boost trust and conversion rates with social proof. Then we have payment logos, where we can build trust by letting your visitors know that you are accepting a wide assortment of payment methods. And then finally, we have trust seals and badges, okay, where we can increase trust and conversion rate with their premium products. Then we have upsells. Now, upsells have product bundles, which increases your store's conversion rate. Then we have volumetric discounts, and then we can balance sales and inventory between the fast and slow moving products in and out of your store. And we have different UX and UI, related features like visitor replays, live chat channels, currency converter, and finally we have conversion, where we can have a sticky add to cart, recently reviewed, and related products. Now, once we've gone through, most of the important aspects of your Shopify Vitals application store, we're going to go ahead and actually use some of them. So what we're going to do is you can click on product reviews. And once we click on product reviews, as you can see, it tells you to activate the app. So first of all, you're going to import and collect your reviews, display it. You can display it in different forms like carousel or any other way. Then you can manage all of its analytics. Then you're finally going to preview it in your store. Okay, so you can simply activate the product review app from here. And for this, you're going to need to go to the theme editor. So we're going to click on go to theme editor to activate it. And once we're into our theme editor, we're going to see a left side widget over here that we can switch on and off. Okay, it's pretty easy to configure these types of things for yourself. So once it loads in, simply switch this on. And once it's switched on, you're simply going to click on save. And once we click on save, that turns on the Vitals application for us. And now we can actually go ahead and import different reviews for our products. So let's go ahead and import reviews from AliExpress. All right. You're going to choose a product that you want to import reviews from. You're going to give the AliExpress link. So let's say I'm going to go over to AliExpress over here real quick, and we're going to choose a product that goes along with our mug. Okay, so you can choose any mug that goes with the, the color, design, style, and scheme of our mug. So I'm going to simply search up mug over here. Make sure that it's a white mug. Now, here, let's go ahead with this mug over here, okay? We're going to copy the link. You're going to go ahead and paste it over here. Number of reviews to import, this depends on you. I'm going to keep it 10 right now. Import reviews as published. Content options. I'm going to go with review with text and pictures. Confirm everything. And then finally, click on import reviews. Now, once you do that, the reviews will be imported shortly. Okay, they don't review immediately. They take a few minutes. But once it's done, your reviews are going to appear right here in the review request section. Then moving on in the dashboard, you have more things to work with, so you can customize the appearance and setting of the widgets that your review holds, okay? That's also a really helpful and pretty fun feature to have in your store because it actually creates an aesthetic of the different widgets that you're handling, and you can also change positions on the page. So you can change the product reviews widget positions with your Shopify theme editor. We're going to get into that in a second. Now moving on, we have the application section. Okay, so these are the apps that the Vitals app brings you. Again, I went through most of these, but you can go ahead and activate all of them if that is how you prefer to work. And we have widgets. Now, these are custom widget templates that you can work with. So, review and trust widgets, where you get product reviews, review carousel, trust seals, and badges. And then there's more widgets to work with as well. And I'm going to get into this in just a second. Moving on, we also have integration, so you can actually integrate other applications with Vitals. So we have applications like Klaviyo, MailChimp, OmniSend, and a whole lot more that work pretty well with your Vitals. And then finally, we have the settings section where you can actually set the different themes out for yourself when it comes to Vitals, okay? Now, moving on from all of that, we're going to come to widgets, and let's say I want to customize a product review widget. So I'm going to click on Customize. And once we click on Customize, it's going to bring us here. So, first of all, we have the star shapes. Do you want pointed corners, hearts, or rounded corners? I'm going to go with pointed corners. Then the star color, obviously keep it yellow. Sort order, I'm going to keep the photos first. Then we have the grid or list view. I would definitely prefer a grid view, but if you want to go with a cleaner, more, chic look, I'm going to go with list view for that. Then we have number of reviews on your product page. Now, if you want to keep it on the show less side, we're going to keep it on 10. We don't want too many reviews. But if someone does, show more reviews, then we can go up to 100. Then we have different information from reviews, what information you want to display, verified icon color, and just a lot of other colors you can change. And then finally, if you want to go ahead and change your positioning and actually customize the actual X and Y axis of your design, you're going to go to the editor to actually mess around with that. So once it loads up, it's going to give you the whole basic drag and drop editor where you can move things around pretty easily and pretty simply. So let me show you how it works. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to add a block from your applications, and you're going to add the main block of your reviews. And once you've added that, you can obviously move it around by simply holding it from here. And as you can see, you can move it upwards, you can move it downwards, just like this. So this is how the Vitals review, editing and carousel works. And it's pretty simple and pretty fun stuff to have. So once we've done all of this, you're simply going to click on save. And that is basically the Vitals application. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.